My country people, another ogbonge tori now bring come give una for inside Pidgin News Network with Man About Town. Governor of Kaduna State, Nasser El-Rufai, don come out to come here and say the Amarajiri system wey dey for inside that state to say e don stop patapata, e don end. Say because they don about over 30,000 of them go back to their own state to. El-Rufai come dey talk say own administration don come out to come checkmate their own law. Say because they wan do this issue of Amarajiri make e stop patapata. He come out to come talk say they advise and come teach the parents of all those Amarajiri. Say make dem take responsibility wetin make dem take be papa and mama to make sure that their children go school. In yarn this talk on Wednesday for Channels program wey dem dey call Politics Today. He come out come talk say all the governors wey dey for north don put their heads together to stop this Amarajiri problem, and they go pursue all of them go back to the original state and make each of the government make them carry them go back to their own parents, so put eye on top them so they go school.
They would simply have died in Kano. Some of them would survive the disease, but you know the situation in Kano is overwhelming. I don't think anyone will remember to look out for Almajiris and test anything is better than this system, and we are determined as northern governors to end it.
We don dey do one for inside Kano State, and we don about turn over 30,000 Amarajiri back to their own original state, and we ourselves go happy to collect our own wey they go bring from other states wey we know say dem be people of Kaduna origin. And we don dey make our school big o. We come dey big classroom wey go reach all these children dem, because e better say dem plenty pass 200 children wey dey for inside one classroom o. Come give them better education, new education wey go make their life dey better, than say dem come dey waka up and down o and their life go come scatter. Anything better pass this kind system o, and we the northern governors don beat our hand for chest say we go stop am. El-Rufai say 169 Amarajiri wey be dey for inside Kano wey be Kaduna origin say they don carry dem come back for inside that state to in contour say in check out to say 65 of them come get coronavirus o. Say but him happy say they carry dem come back because if dem no carry all these children they take come back, say maybe some of them for die o for inside Kano, or even if say some of them no even die. Say but the condition of Kano now dey very bad, and in dey sure say nobody for even care for them. This na Man About Town reporting for Pidgin News Network.